Namaskar. Around 70% of your body's immune cells are found in your gut, where they are impacted by the bacteria which live in your gut. We have both good as well as bad bacteria in our gut, but the imbalance between these bacteria would weaken our shield, our protection. This shield prevents the bacterial byproduct, the undigested protein, and toxins from entering the bloodstream. Imbalance in gut bacteria can cause several diseases such as obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, cancer, and autism. Many inflammatory skin diseases such as acne, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, all such diseases have been linked to imbalance in our gut. Intake of junk, oily food, and processed food can cause all these problems. Food that is not digested properly will automatically make a morbid lining in your alimentary canal, and such coating is naturally going to cause stomach problem. Today I am going to share a powerful drink, and this is the ultimate buttermilk. Buttermilk is a probiotic drink very easily made at home. Probiotics are healthy bacteria that would help your body to function very naturally, healthily, and keep your digestive system fit. The nutrients are good for maintaining bone strength and promoting metabolic function in gut. So now the ingredients which you need is 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons full of lemon juice, minced fresh ginger 1 teaspoon, a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing powder, mustard seed 1 teaspoon, cumin seed half teaspoon, ghee 1/4 teaspoon, and curry leaves. So now understand the method of this preparation. Take 1.5 cup of curd, water, lemon juice, ginger, asafoetida, and a pinch of rock salt in a large bowl or in a mixer. Blend well and set aside. To prepare this seasoning, take little ghee in a pan and simmer it on a medium flame. Add mustard seeds and curry leaves and fry it a bit till mustard seed cracks. Add buttermilk and stir well. Buttermilk has several other benefits, such as it is actually antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer property, and this can help to decrease cholesterol. Buttermilk is an excellent alternative for calcium. Those who are lactose intolerant and cannot consume milk, this mixture should be taken in moderation. During summer, real hot summer, drinking a glass of buttermilk can prevent dehydration and heat stroke. This happens because buttermilk contains electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, traces of phosphorus, and water. Buttermilk can also help release acidity problem. Drinking buttermilk regularly will help increase good gut bacteria, which would help your health tremendously. So, include buttermilk along with your meals. But if you are prone to cold, then avoid buttermilk at night. So, try this healthy and delicious drink, that is buttermilk, to improve your gut health and overall health, and enjoy a healthy body, healthy mind. Namaskar.